How to delete all messages on Instagram at once. First, you want to open the Instagram app and head over to the chat section. Here you can see there is no option of deleting all messages at once. You have to do it individually like this. So to delete all messages on Instagram at once, you first have to head over to your profile and then tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on settings. Once you're in here, you want to tap on account. And now scroll down and tap on switch to professional account. Here you simply want to tap on continue to all of this. And here just select a thing that describes you the best. Now tap on done. Once you do that, your professional account will be ready. Now you just want to cross this and then head over to your chat section. Here tap on the three dots at the top and then you want to tap on the option of select chats. Once you do, from here you can select the chats that you want to delete and then delete all messages at once. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.